Never give up, it's not too late. Until I found you, we will be able to meet in fantasy. At nights, I will follow you in my sweet dreams. My sweet dreams. My sweet dreams. Yeah. My sweet dreams. My sweet dreams. My sweet dreams. Yeah.
Yeah, we might have to full send it. We might have to full send it.
Yeah.
Taco Bell, oh shit. Oh my, he's up here with me. Wait, how are you moving? This looks so weird. Nice, you're goated, brother. Oh! What are you doing? Someone's trying to hack the system? What the hell is he doing? What is this character doing?
I think he might be glitched.
Admit it, you have very good parents.
He just glitched throughout the whole thing, dude.
You want a Nana?
I do.
No.
Go with you if you want him right here. Your guy is, your guy just did a dive. What was that? I'm going for it. I'm going full send. Did I fuck that up? Oh my god, I'm on. Go, together.
Go.
Oh, I got Blundy, dude. Did you ank him?
Left. They're anchored.
Are you dead?
No.
Nice. Fight him. Oh no, you're not going to res me. There's two of them, right?
I didn't realize
You guys have to get him. If you...
dead.
Another one's up.
They're both dead.
Let's go. Nice. That thing's going to blow up. There you go. Oh! Oh god. They're shooting at him.
I don't think she can reach.
This is not good.
Oh no, should you try and save your ship?
I'm gonna try. Well, the TNT.
They're not really hidden.
He's not even that good.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we might have to full send it.
Noggin.
We might have to full send it.
Yeah.
Taco Bell, oh shit. Oh my, he's up here with me.
Wait, who is?
The guy. He's gonna grab the
He
keg.
doesn't see you?
Ah!
No. Fuck. Anchor him if you can. You get the anchor?
Yep. Right in the face, and the crowd goes wild. Is he by himself? Where's his team? Oh my god, they're loaded.
This guy is tucking.
Hey, he's right under you. He's right under you.
Hold on.
He's coming up the ladder right now.
Wait,
I just
what?
hit him.
Which ladder?
Sorry, I
Fire
was on
was.
order.
He's in the cannon.
Oh my god, it went right by my face!
Fire, he's up there.
I got knocked off the boat.
Killed him.
Nice, dude. This thing went right by my face. Good poon, good poon.
Whoa.
Oh, what are you got me kidding me? I flew right over, dude. Oh my. I don't see anybody, but they could be on the outside. I don't know what they're doing. Now there's no boats here. Oh, he's right here. Sniped him. He's dead. I killed him.
Nice. Let's go, buddy.
Oh my god. He's going over. They're gonna hit us. You okay?
We got Bob.
Hopefully they don't. They're probably gonna see me. 100%. Yep. He already sniped me. Already. He's good. He's good. What? I had full health. Oh, I see him coming back. He's coming back.
I killed 2.
Sniped 1. They're gonna be coming back. He's dead. I'm raising their tails. Nice anchor ball. Nice anchor ball. They're anchored. Watch
Okay,
out.
I'm gonna lift
Oh.
our tails up.
Get ready to anchor us with Suzuki.
I got shot. I got shot.
Hit him once.
Yep.
Go ahead, drop it.
Nice shot, dude. All right, they're gonna be on top. They're gonna be watching ladders. Oh, baby, it's time to dance. Do a little dance. Yeah.
Oh, come up this way. Come up this way.
Oh, he did.
You're like walking on the air.
You're sitting. Look, it looks like you're floating. It looks like you're on a magic carpet, and there's no carpet. All right, hold on.
Don't you blunderbomb me? Hey.
I had to. Akeem redeemed.
I'm over here meditating.
Yeah, I'll meditate with you. Wait, do I even have this sit? You know what? I'm gonna cannonball. I'm meditating. Here it is. What the hell is this? We have 3 of us knocked out of sloop. Oh, he just spawned. Do it.
Pizza delivery!
Whee! Oh god, I'm going down with it. I try to like angle it, you know what I'm saying? Nice, you're goated, brother. Oh! Oh no! What's he doing? Is he like go?
All right, yep. Go down. Sort
Yep.
down in the water.
One dead.
There you go. Nice. him right there. Anchor him right there.
We had to get rid of it, chat. There was too much nudity from the Sled show. You didn't want it. But guess what? It came back with an OnlyFans. Check it out. Check out the YouTube. Check out the Discord. Check out the socials.
What am I missing?
This is how legends are made.